Hi, meteorologist Jen Daniel here with the latest on our ongoing winter storm. So everybody looks like they're going to have a great chance at precip tonight. Mostly snow up here across our northwestern counties, a wintry mix here across the South Plains and into the rolling plains, and a very cold rain for those of you out here across the southern rolling plains. As far as snow totals go, we've lowered those a little bit for the overnight hours. 1 to 2 inches expected for a good swath of the northwest and northwestern counties and South Plains, and then a lot lower as you head out into the rolling plains. That's mainly due to sleet falling in those areas. Sleet up to about 0.2 of an inch is expected. As far as temperatures go, they've been holding really steady all day. Up on the Cap Rock, we've been holding steady at or below freezing, and not much better out on the rolling plains. Still pretty cold out there as well. As we start to see that next round of precip rolling in, those temperatures will start to drop once again overnight. And speaking of that precip, we've been seeing just a little bit of a light freezing drizzle around here, but here's that next batch working its way towards us, and it will be here around that evening hour, so about 5 to 7 p.m. Expect to see that starting to cross over this Texas-New Mexico border and moving right across our area overnight. We do have a winter weather advisory in effect for all the counties in the purple. That is in effect already, and it will stay in effect until 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Accumulating snow and a light ice glazing is expected, and that's going to make already treacherous roads in some areas more hazardous, and areas that have seen some icing on the roads this morning, well, expect that to occur again tomorrow morning. So please, we beg of you, take it slow out there. Alright, so here's what to expect until tomorrow morning. For the rest of the afternoon, we'll still see that lull in precip, flurries, a light freezing drizzle. Then, early this evening, 5 to 7 p.m., we start to see that wintry mix moving in. Then the heaviest bands of precip occur overnight, midnight, 6 a.m., and by tomorrow morning, this storm finally kicks out off towards the east, and we're done with it. So if you have any questions as for road conditions, drivetexas.org is your place to go. As for us, you can follow us on Twitter. We are at NWS Lubbock. Otherwise, y'all take it slow out there and y'all be safe, West Texas.